Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting the pairing flow now. Turn on Bluetooth on both devices and ensure the accessory is charged. On your phone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and make the device discoverable. This allows scanning. For the accessory, press and hold its pairing button for about 3-5 seconds until you see a flashing LED or hear a prompt. This is the device announcing itself. Once visible, keep both devices near each other, within a few feet, to avoid weak signals and interference during the initial exchange. Next, select the accessory from your phone's Bluetooth list to initiate pairing. You'll often see a PIN or passkey on screen. Compare that code with the accessory's display or voice readout, then confirm on both sides to establish trust. If the device asks you to enter a 4-6-digit code, type it exactly. Once paired, accept permission prompts for contacts, media, or call audio so the device works fully. If a connection doesn't complete, retry the selection step and clear any duplicate entries. Finish by confirming the phone shows the accessory as paired or connected and test the function. Play audio or make a call. Make sure the accessory is selected as the default output in sound settings if audio isn't routing automatically. Once done, some devices will auto-reconnect in the future. Make sure Auto Connect is enabled in app settings if available. If pairing fails, restart Bluetooth on both devices, choose Forget or Remove on the phone, reboot the accessory, and then repeat the pairing steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.